think the challenge is for most of us, we get really good at identifying what's wrong and what we don't want and what we're scared of. And part of the problem in fearing success is we're facing the wrong way. We are focusing on the things that we don't want or the things that we want to avoid. So in order to get out ahead of fearing success, you first want to ask, what is it that I'm really afraid of? But more importantly, what is it that I want to feel in the future? And so if we're fearing success, it's just that we're focusing on things that could go wrong. More importantly, we're focusing on this thing called uncertainty. And it's uncertainty that freaks us out the most. And so if we want to get ahead of that fear, instead of focusing on an uncertain future, just get clear on what you want to feel in the future. Is it peace of mind? Is it expansion? Is it stimulation? Is it respect? Is it joy? Is it abundance? When you can focus on a new focal point, which is not uncertainty, you can usually get out ahead of that fear and look forward to moving forward on your path of success. That's one way. The other thing too, to get out ahead of not fearing success, is really to focus on appreciation. Now, gratitude practices and appreciation is a very, very common way to elevate our emotional state. And there's lots written about this. And in my experience, and what I've focused on with all of my clients is that when you can get really good at viewing your work life, your professional life, all of your accomplishments, what you are up to through the eyes of appreciation, then there's really no room for fear. So if you find yourself in that place where you're very uncertain about your future and it's crippling you and you're afraid, then either focus on what you want to feel, what you're looking forward to feeling in the future, or just focus on what you're grateful for and what you've achieved so far, remembering that, wow, if I've gotten this far and it's great, then chances are when I get there, it's going to be great too.